Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and I want to quickly show you how to upload a full picture, your profile picture on your DP on WhatsApp. Most time if you want to upload picture on your DP, WhatsApp will not allow you to upload the full picture. You have to crop it. So in this video I'm going to show you how to go about it. So what I want to do for me is to subscribe to this channel and watch this video to the end. Don't skip any part, because if you skip any part you will not understand what I'm talking about. And if you watch this video to the end and you subscribe, just comment in the section below that I've subscribed, and I will add you to my secret Telegram group where you can have access to premium apps. These premium apps will allow you to do whatever you want to do without paying a dime. Okay, so you can see 500 plus premium apps. I'll give you access to this where you have access to several apps. Okay, different apps. You can see that will allow you to do whatever you want to do without paying a dime. Okay, so I will add you to the group once you subscribe. Just message me that I subscribed and you'll be added to this Telegram group. Alright, so let's get into it. Also, if you want this video to the end, I will go to unveil the name of the app I'm using to do this tutorial. So now guys, the first thing you want to do is to go to your WhatsApp settings, click on this. You can see this is my profile picture and this is just a full picture. So I'm going to show you how to do this. But very quickly, let me do one. Let me change this picture. So let's say I want to upload, let me look for one. So I want to change this. Can you see that? I can't do the full picture because WhatsApp will not allow me. Or better still, let's go to Google and get a picture that we can use. Let's see. Let's go to this site. Let's kind of add image of a young man. So let's look for an image. So I will use it for this tutorial. Alright, so let's say you want to use this man. Let's download that picture. So this is the image we are using. As you can see, this is a full image, but we cannot upload this full image to WhatsApp because WhatsApp will ask us to crop it. So let's say we want to upload that image now. This is the image you just downloaded. Can you see? This full image cannot enter my DP because WhatsApp will not allow me. So if I want to upload it, I have to crop it, and it's not good enough. So how do we go about it? Now I'm going to use an app. Make sure you watch this video to the end, but I'm going to show you the name of the app by the end of this video and where to get it and also how to get it. Okay, so this one is only for those that will watch the video to the end. Okay, so now I'm in the app. What I just need to do is to click on this edit button here. I just click on that. Once I click on the edit button, it will take me to my album, and I'm going to select one. So you can see it has helped us, it has picked out the whole image. Okay, it has picked out the whole image, and from here you can decide to make the background black, can make it white, can make it blur, you can change the color here to either of this. You can choose any of this background color. Can you see that? You can play with it. This app is very powerful. You can play with it whichever one you want. Let's say we want to use this, for example, or this, anyone at all. Just play around with it. Okay. to all my data. Alright, so now let's say we want to use this, okay? So let's say we want to use, it's not allowing me to do that because that is the premium version. You have to use the premium version to be able to access the gradients. So let's say we want to use this image now. All I just need to do is to, now I'm done with my image. If you like, you can crop it, but for me, depends on whatever you want to use it for. You can crop it, you can make it free, you can just play around with it. So for me, I'll make it free, and okay, that's it. So now the next thing you want to do now is to, you can even rotate it. Can you see? You can rotate it the way you like. So just play with it. You can do it like this. You can centralize it. You can rotate it right. So once you are done, you click on this button here, this one. Click on that button. Then you see where they write share. This is a share icon. Click on share. So click on more. You can share it directly to your WhatsApp, and you can decide to save it, okay? So for me, I'm going to save it to my phone. So you can see it's saved. Once it's saved, now go to your WhatsApp and then change the DP. So click on gallery. This one we just created. You can see we created a lot of, not this gallery. And you see, guys, it's not asking to crop. It's already there. Except if you want to crop it by yourself. So it's already there. Once you upload it now, it will upload the full picture without the need to crop it. So let's say we want to upload it. Can you see? So this is our profile picture now. This is our profile picture. So guys, that's how to do it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to come back to my YouTube channel, smash the subscribe button. That way you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. So like I promised, the name of the app is No Crop. No, it's, or there are two of it, Square Quick and No Crop. So let's go to Play Store and quickly search for it. Square Quick. So you can see this is it. This is the app. So you can use it. The other one is No Crop. This is it. No Crop for Instagram. You can see I've already installed it. So, but for me, I use the other Square Quick, which is faster for me. This one, I enjoy it, and that's what I use. So guys, that's how to do it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to come back to my YouTube channel, smash the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and that way you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Till we meet again, guys, keep winning.